Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We will continue the chapter arithmetic progression. Today we will continue the problem set 3. There are 37 terms in AP. The sum of 3 terms plus exactly the middle is 225 and the sum of the last 3 terms is 429. Then write the AP. Here arithmetic progression is given. We have to find out exactly middle term. Here number of terms are 37 which is odd. Therefore we know that the middle term is equal to n plus 1 upon 2th term. इथे लक्षात घ्या, जर एखाद्या अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन मध्ये नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स जर ऑड असतील, एक्झॅक्टली मिडल टर्म काढण्यासाठी नंबर ऑफ टर्म मध्ये 1 ऍड करायचं, त्याला 2 ने डिवाइड करायचं, ती टर्म येणार आहे. Here n is equal to 37, therefore middle term is equal to 37 plus 1 upon 2 term. 37 plus 1 is nothing but how much? 38 upon 2th term dividing by 2, we will get 19th term. That means in this arithmetic progression, 19th term is exactly the middle term. According to first condition, the sum of 3 terms plus exactly the middle is 225. आता एक्झॅक्टली मिडल 3 टर्म्स काढण्यासाठी काय करायला पाहिजे? ही तर 19 मिडल आहे, याच्या प्रिव्हियस टर्म येणार आहे 18th आणि याच्या नंतरची टर्म येणार आहे 20th. म्हणजे 18th, 19th आणि 20 या 3 टर्म एक्झॅक्टली मिडल आहेत आणि त्यांची सम दिलेली आहे 225. दॅट मीन्स 18th, 19th and 20th terms are placed exactly in the middle of the arithmetic progression. Therefore, according to the first condition, sum of these 3 terms, 18th term means T18 plus 19th term means T19 plus 20th term means T20 is equal to 225. T18 is nothing but A plus 17D. लक्षात घ्या, आपल्याला फॉर्म्युला माहिती आहे, Tn is equal to A plus into bracket n minus 1 into D. A means फर्स्ट टर्म आणि D चा कोएफिशिएंट ह्या n मधून एक सबट्रॅक्ट करायचा आहे, म्हणजे 18 पेक्षा 1 ने कमी येणार आहे, म्हणजे 17D. A plus 17D. टेल मी, T19 means A plus 19 minus 1 म्हणजे 18D. and T20 means 20 मधून 1 सबट्रॅक्ट करा म्हणजे 19D येणार आहे. A plus 19D. A plus A plus A, that means 3A. 17D plus 18D plus 19D. How much? 54D. Taking 3 common from the LHS, we will get 3 into bracket A plus how much? 18D. Now transfer these 3 to RHS. Multiply becomes as divide. Therefore, A plus 18D is equal to 225 divided by 3. 3 ने डिवाइड करून पहा इथे, how much? A plus 18D is equal to 75. This is the equation number 1. According to second condition, the sum of last 3 terms is given. Therefore, last 3 terms T37, T36 आणि T35 या तिघांची सम किती आहे? 429. पूर्वीप्रमाणे सांगा, आता T35 कसं लिहिता येईल? A plus 35 मधून एक सबट्रॅक्ट करा, D चा कोएफिशिएंट तुम्हाला लिहिता येईल. दॅट मीन्स A plus 34D. T36 कसं लिहिता येईल? A plus 36 मधून एक सबट्रॅक्ट करा, 35D. and similarly T37 is nothing but A plus 36D. A plus A plus A means 3A and 34D plus 35D plus 36D is nothing but 105D. 3 is the common from the LHS. Therefore 3 into bracket 3 ones are 3A plus dividing by 3 to 105, we will get 35D is equal to 429. Now transfer these 3 to RHS. Multiply becomes a divide. Therefore, A plus 35D is equal to 429 dividing by 3. Dividing by 3, we will get A plus 35D is equal to 143. This is the equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, these are the two simultaneous equations. Which variable can be eliminated easily? Observe, The coefficient of A is same and they have same sign. Therefore, variable A is eliminated easily. To eliminate A, equation 2 minus equation 1. Equation 2 is A plus 35D is equal to 143 and equation 1 is A plus 18D is equal to 75. We have to take subtraction of these two equation. Change the sign of equation 1. Plus A becomes as minus A, plus 18D becomes as minus 18D, and plus 75 becomes as minus 75. Here plus A and minus A are cancelled out. 35D minus 18D. 35 minus 18 is nothing but 17D is equal to 143 minus 75, we will get 68. To find the value of D, we have to transfer the 70 to RHS, multiply becomes as divide. Therefore, D is equal to 68 divided by 17. We will get D is equal to 4. Substituting value of D in the equation number 1. Equation 1 is A plus 18D is equal to 75. Put the value of D. Therefore, A as it is, A plus 18 into, substitute the value of D 4. That means 18 into 4 is equal to 75. Now take multiplication of 18 and 4. 18 fours are 72. Transfer this 72 to RHS. Plus 72 becomes as minus 72. 75 minus 72 is nothing but 3. Therefore, A is equal to 3. We find out first term A is 3 and common difference is 4. Then first term A is equal to 3. Second term is equal to T2. To find the second term, we have to add common difference in the first term, that means T1 plus D. Here T1 is nothing but A, 3, plus D is nothing but 4. 3 plus 4 is nothing but 7. To find the third term, we add common difference in the second term, that means T3 is equal to second term T2 plus common difference D is equal to second term is nothing but 7 plus common difference 4. 7 plus 4 is nothing but 11. Hence, we find out the AP is 3, 7, 11, so on. Next example, if the first term of an AP is A, second term is B, and the last term is C, then show that the sum of all terms is in the first bracket A plus C into in the second bracket A plus C minus 2A whole divided by 2 into bracket B minus C. Which is the first term? A, therefore T1 is equal to A. Second term is given, T2 is equal to how much? B, and last term, that means Tn is equal to C. Here first and second term is given, then we find out common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1, that means B minus C. Here last term is given, therefore we use the nth term of an AP, Tn is equal to A plus into bracket n minus 1 into D. Substituting value of A, D and Tn. Here Tn is nothing but how much? C is equal to first term A as it is plus into bracket n minus 1 as it is into value of D is nothing but B minus A, therefore in bracket B minus A. To find the value of n, first we transfer this A to LHS, plus becomes as minus, therefore C minus A is equal to this term as it is n minus 1 into B minus A. Now transfer this B minus A to LHS, multiply becomes as divide, therefore C minus A divided by B minus A is equal to n minus 1. Now to find the value of n, transfer this negative 1 to LHS, minus becomes as plus, therefore C minus A divided by B minus A plus 1 is equal to n. Here denominator is not same, therefore we have to take LCM. Here LCM is B minus A, then taking cross multiplication. C minus A ला 1 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर C minus A तसं राहणार आहे, प्लस 1 ने B minus A ला मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर B minus A येणार आहे. न्यूमरेटर मध्ये काय येईल? C minus A प्लस B minus A होल डिवाइडेड बाय B minus A is equal to n. A चे साइन सेम आहे, त्यामुळे A चे ऍडिशन घ्यावं लागेल आपल्याला. C plus B as it is minus A becomes as minus 2A whole divided by B minus A is equal to n. This is the value of n. Now to find the sum of nth term, therefore we use this formula sum of n term Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket first term plus last term is equal to number of terms is nothing but c plus b minus 2a whole divided by b minus a divided by 2 into first term is a plus last term is c. Now simplifying this, इथे लक्षात घ्या b minus a हा c प्लस b मायनस 2a ला डिवाइड करतो, त्याचप्रमाणे 2 सुद्धा डिवाइड करतो, म्हणजे या डिनॉमिनेटर ह्या दोन्ही डिनॉमिनेटरचे मल्टिप्लिकेशन होईल. That means c plus b minus 2a divided by 2 into bracket b minus a and a plus c as it is. That means in the first bracket a plus c आप प्रथम लिहूयात b plus c minus 2a whole divided by b into bracket b minus a. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, also share this video and like this video.